Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to add or update your bio on X, formerly known as Twitter. Your bio is a great way to express who you are, share your interests, and connect with your audience. So, let's get started on making your profile shine. First, launch the X app on your Android device. Ensure you're logged into your account to access your profile settings. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon, which could either be your profile picture or a menu icon located in the top left corner. Tap on it to open your profile. Next, you'll see your profile page. From here, tap on Profile. This section is where you can view and edit various details about your account. To update your bio, tap on Edit Profile. Now, you'll see an option labeled Bio. This is your opportunity to showcase your personality. Enter whatever you'd like, whether it's a fun fact, a quote you love, or a brief description of what you do. Keep it concise but impactful. Once you're satisfied with your bio, tap Save at the top right corner of your screen, and that's it. Your bio is now updated, giving your followers a better insight into who you are. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your social media presence.